Hello everyone, great to see you here again. Today we continue our Power Query Basics series. If you are new to Power Query, this video is perfect for you. In the previous episode, I showed you how to connect Power Query to another Excel workbook. Today we will build on that and make a few simple and essential edits. We will do everything using the menu and icons, so don't worry, you don't need to learn M language at all. Alright, let's jump right in. We will continue exactly where we left off last time. Right now we have a connected table, this one, and this table has all the information about audits we need. Now we want to make a few changes to this table, so let's go back to Power Query Editor. To do that, we will go to Data, here Queries and Connections, right click on your query and select Edit. Now we are back in our Power Query editor, so we can do all the adjustments here. The first change we will be making is moving columns. So here, what I want to do is to have my dates next to each other. So what we need to do is select the column and just drag and drop, hold your mouse button and move the whole column to the left. Perfect. Second, very simple as well, I want the status to be my last column. So you will have score and status as the last one. Remember, every step we make is saved automatically. On the right side we can see the applied steps menu, and here you can see a new row was just created called Reordered Columns. Our next change will focus on the audit type column. Here I want to replace the value 5S with something else like 5S audit. The easiest way to do that is click on your value, right click, and then replace values. So I have this pre-filled, what I want to change, and now I need to put my new data, 5S audit. Confirm, and here we go. As you can see, all the values were replaced by 5S audit. And again, in applied steps, I can see new row with replaced values. You can also go to transform menu, and the same you can find in here as replace values. You can replace values, you can replace errors if you need. Our next change is checking the formats. Sometimes we want to make sure the text is clean and correct without extra characters like spaces at the end. For this, we use the format icon in here. The first command we want to use is trim. Trim remove extra characters like spaces before and after text. So we want to use it for audit type column, workplace, and assign auditor. We can select everything at once, so just hold Shift key, then click assign auditor, and as you can see, from first to the last column we selected all columns at once. Now we can go to format and trim. Done. Next, I want to also check our names, and I want to be sure that the names are always with big letter. So I select assign auditor column, format, and here I can capitalize each word. So we did it. Now everything is set correctly. At this point, we can go back to our Excel. So home menu, close and load, and everything is getting updated, as you can see. The last change I want to do here is to change the format to percentage. So select the column with pressing Ctrl spacebar and change to percentage. The problem, as you can see, this doesn't really make sense. The values are too big. To correct that, we go back to our Power Query editor. Let's wait till it loads. And we need to change the value to be divided by 100. Again, we can easily do that in transformation menu. So select score column, go back to transformation, and in here We go to standard calculations, divide, and we want to divide this number by 100. Confirm. Now we have the values that will correspond with percentage. Let's go back to Excel, close and load. It will recalculate, and here we go. Awesome. As you can see, everything is working now. And that's it. As you can see, Power Query makes it very easy to make simple changes to your tables and clean up data. The best part is that you only need it to do it once. Next time, just click a refresh button and everything will refresh automatically. This is the beginning of simple automations in Excel. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time.